Welcome to the Jimmy Carter episode of Fast Logo Friday, where every week I design a logo based on a random weird word. That's right, it's episode number 39, and in honor of Jimmy Carter, the 39th President of the United States, we're going to design a logo, because that's what we do. Today's word is Nesh, N-E-S-H. Have you ever heard that word before? It's not a very common one, although admittedly not many of the words that we do use here on Fast Logo Friday are common words. Nesh means soft or dainty or delicate, perhaps susceptible to the cold. It can also mean juicy or tender or I said soft already. Another meaning might be fastidious or dainty, gentle or kindly. Those kinds of moods, I guess, are what are associated with the word Nesh. It comes from a Dutch word that means damp or soft or even foolish. And that it can be traced back even further to a Greek word, and even further back from there, it can be traced to a Sanskrit word, which means particles of ground grain. So Nesh really just means something that's soft, dainty, small, delicate, light, airy. Today I'm going to use the word Nesh to design a logo for a white pear wine. I'm not much of a white wine person, but that's okay. That doesn't have to be for me. I'm going to use typical pear-like colors, light yellows, greenish tints. I will kind of explore some light and dainty characteristics of the shapes that I'm going to be using. We'll see what we come up with. Like usual, I'm going to start with sketching some rough ideas. I'm going to move into Illustrator and refine one of those ideas a little bit further. And then finally, I'll show some design mock-ups so that we can see what the logo might look like on some bottles and packaging and advertising materials. I think it's really important to see what a logo design would look like in a real-world context. It's so much more impactful for the client if we can show them something in context, not just, here's a logo, hope you like it. Thanks for watching Fast Logo Friday. My name's Aaron. I'm the creative director at Square Thunder, and we work with distilleries and breweries to help them make sure that their branding is focused and well crafted, just like their product is. If you're a distiller or a brewer and you need help with branding a product or your company altogether, if you're just starting out and kicking things off and you are emerging in that market, I'd love to chat with you. You can find me at squarethunder.com, and we would be really thrilled to work with you and help you make sure that your brand and your visual representation is as well crafted and focused and put together as the product is that you are bringing to market. Thanks for watching Fast Logo Friday. We'll see you next week right here, where we're going to find another random weird word and we're going to make another awesome logo from it. So thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen here, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe. But if you don't like what you've seen here on Fast Logo Friday, share this video with somebody that you don't like. See where that gets them. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week right here, Fast Logo Friday. Stay awesome.